Assalamualaikum. I am Kaji Fawaz Ahmed Jim and welcome to my channel Design a Dollar. Today we are going to learn how to make this kind of post design, and this is a post design that you can say the Facebook post or the Instagram post. So today you are going to learn to how to create this kind of short or this sort of elements. So first you have to go to the Photoshop software, and I am using the latest version of Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. So you can easily make it though any kind of or earlier any of the earlier version or any of the old version of the Photoshop. So if you are new in my channel, so definitely consider subscribing, and if you have any query, write down in the comment section. I will provide you the actual knowledge or actual facts that you are going to learn, or that you are going to be very curious about. So actually this is one of the breakdown of my designs video, that how I create this kind of post design. So this is one kind of breakdown video. So first you have to go to the Photoshop CC or Photoshop CS6 or Photoshop CS4, as you whatever you are using. So this is not a main fact. Now you have to first create a composition or create an artboard. So first you have to go to the file, then new, and click on the new button, and you can write down the actual dimensions of the post design. Sorry. So here you can see I have used this height and weight. The weight is 1080, and the height is 1080 also. This is the actual, the original Instagram post size, design size. So I am using that, and the measurement you should go with the pixels. You can also go to the with the inches, but if you are printing some design, you can go with inches, but I am not definitely I am not going to print it out. So that's why I am using the pixels. And you can go with the RGB color if you are going to post this kind of design in any kind of website on the 8-bit white background. Okay, let's create it. So that's enough. Your artboard is created, and I think you are almost done with your artboard dimensions. So I close it. Now I am going to see, or I am going to teach you the actual process. Now go, if you look at the layers panel, so you can see the actual layers that I have created while I am designing my designs. So this is the these are the layers. So you can go here and see the actual. If I hide this gradient, I can go with this, or I can go with this. So it looks that this is very pretty and very easily recognizable. So I am very excited to teach you this kind of design. This gradient is very phenomenal and easier to look or easier to observe it. So the gradient, I can tell you the actual hexacode. So you can write it down: D42C92. This is the original purple color, and for the blue color you can go with the hexacode 551DEA. You can write it down. Okay, and the middle you can go with 471E96. These are the three hexacodes. Okay, fine. And I am using the linear version. You can go with the radial. So I am using the linear and the angle is 90, scale is 100, and reverse. You can go with the original, but I think my designs should be better with the reverse. So I am click on that. I am clicking. Then dither you can on or off, and align with layers you can go with. Then okay, so this is the gradient, and below the gradient this you can look, this is the actual artboard. So yeah, you can lock it. That's why okay, fine, sorry, it won't move. Then if you are going to have this like this kind of gradient, so you can go with actual gradient is there are two gradients. So click on that. Now write it down, 108802, and the other axis is 54 sorry, f4 fa02. Okay, and another gradient is here. Okay, if I okay, I will come up very soon. Now if you look at there, there's the yellowish gradient, the F34B0A, and another is FFE401. Okay, fine, now close it down. Now the main terms is this you can see the actual shape, the shape I have created, but you can think it, but I didn't create it, because I search on the Google. I did search on the Google, and I found it from one of the website. So definitely you can use it, or also you can't, but I suggest you to use it, because it will consume your time very lower timing. And these are the type tools, the order. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you about that, I am from Bangladesh, so my country and religion is Bangladeshi. So that's why this post is created for a online shopping platform, or you can say the online shopping website called Rongdhonu. So Rongdhonu is for a online shopping service, provides the household goods, the actual aeroplane tickets, the tour agents, and food, etc., etc. They provide to the non-residential citizens. So it is very helpful. I appreciate their works, that during this quarantine nobody can come out or go out from their home. So this will definitely help them out. So that's why I'm doing for there, and this design is all belongs to me. So this is okay. Now this the gradient, I very like it, and this is the PNG. If you look it preciously into the transparent mode, so you can see the PNG is, this is just a PNG. You can move it around. So nothing is special, just a PNG. You can use it as you want. Okay, fine. Now again the gradient, and the blend mode, I set it the hard light, because the hard light suits me out very well. So that's why I am using the hard light blend mode, and the opacity is 100%. Okay, fine. Now I again turn on the gradient. Nice, it looks very prominent and very cool. Okay, fine. Now you have to go with the text tool. So I am writing, or I write that I did write that the 011, the actual contact number of them. So then I have created a rectangular. The rectangular means the emo, the WhatsApp, and the call is going to be stay in on here, then because this is a rectangular and this is the emo, the WhatsApp and the call the, icons, so people can look around this design, and definitely it will help to recognize the Rangdhanu, especially the contact number of the Rangdhanu. So people are very it helps to people to reach them out. Okay, fine. And besides then the PNG, this is the outer person. I can show you the PNG is yellowish, and if I set into the transparent, sorry, transform. Okay, fine. Now zoom it. You can see the actual keyboard shortcuts in here, so it will help you. Okay, fine. If I resize it, you can see the PNG. This is just a PNG, not a big deal. So if I size it almost here, so it looks very cool and nice. It's the shapes suits very well in this design. So this is not one thing I should mention you, that if this is not necessary to use this kind of elements, you can work around, you can look around the designs, you can actually you can set a theme of for designing your design. So this is not a big deal. And then I have created a rectangular, the letters. Again, I said before that I am a Bangladeshi and I work for a Malaysia. I am working for an online shopping services or websites which is situated in Malaysia, and they are also a Bangladeshi. So the letters is you can't see or you can't recognize easily, only except for the Bangladeshis. Okay, fine. And then the typo, ঘরে বসে ফ্রি ক্যাশ অন ডেলিভারিতে পাবেন আমাদের পণ্য ও সার্ভিস. Okay, fine. So this the elements, and again the Rangdhanu, the logo should appear on the top, and this is the main highlighted thing. And these are the elements you can go with. These are the informations that this is mainly, this post is created for those people who want to buy SIMs or for their operating system, for their networking system. So that's why this post is created. So in this post you have to mention all of the basic informations to reach this kind of stuff. So it definitely it will help the people to get it out. Okay, fine. And these are the companies, these are the companies who are the assistant concern of this company. Okay, fine. So these are the internet SIMs for working out. Okay, fine. And now the actual location where you can buy and look around these kind of stuffs. So it will easily recognizable for those people who are living in these locations. Okay, fine. And now the actual half tone effect. The half tone effect means you can I can show you. If you select all the layers, I think I should hide it. Okay, fine, no problem. If I select all the layers and if I press the keyboard shortcuts is Ctrl Shift Alt E, just Ctrl Shift Alt E, it will merge all the layers into one layer. So definitely it will help you a lot to merge the layers. And now if I see the layers is here and zoom it out, you can see the effect, very cool effect, and this called the halftone effect. So after merging these layers, select the layer and go to the filter, then go to the pixelate and color halftone. Click on the color halftone, let it the default settings. Okay, and see the magic. Okay, so these are the actual breakdown how I create this kind of post design. So definitely many stuffs, many tutorials are going to be held on my tutorial based designer dollar YouTube channel. So stay with me, and if you have enjoyed this video, then definitely subscribe my channel and like this video, and consider commenting, because I am saying that because many of you doesn't even most of the people doesn't do this kind of works, but they will consider, or they want to do this kind of stuff. So it will help them out, because my channel is all about the video editing tutorial, the graphic design tutorial, the filmmaking tutorial. That's it. I am done with that. Okay, fine, and share this video more and more. So bye bye, see you in the next video. Peace.